Alright, welcome to this video. I think this looks pretty cool. This is my new setup now. Basically I have the screen here, the video recording with my camera. I have AirPods in or I don't. I have the code editor here with the matrix theme, very cool. I have my to-do list here. I have the Explorer at the right, and yeah, that makes it easier to toggle it on or off. And then the code itself doesn't change the position, so that's good. That's why I like it at the right. My desktop is like this. There is my main mission of myself and Code from Anywhere. So if I click here, I go to GitHub, to all the milestones of this week. And if I go here, I open the code editor. And if I go here, I open QuickTime Player, which is already open here. So these are only 3 programs I really need to focus. And that's why they are the only ones that you can see. So yeah, this is my new setup. Tomorrow I'll start making a video about coding and live coding probably, and maybe some other subjects. Thank you for watching.